Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure crop insurance with Swiss Re. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with configuring crop insurance with Swiss Re, first, visit the Swiss Re website. Locate the section dedicated to agricultural insurance. Click on the crop insurance option to access relevant resources. Familiarize yourself with the various insurance products offered. Review the eligibility requirements for each product carefully. Download the crop insurance policy guide for detailed information. Gather necessary documentation, including farm details and crop data. Navigate to the online application portal. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in using your credentials. Choose the specific crop insurance product that suits your needs. Input your farm information, including location and size. Enter details about the crops you intend to insure. Select the coverage options that best meet your requirements. Review the premium estimates provided for each coverage option. Adjust your selections as needed to fit your budget. Once satisfied, proceed to the application review page. Ensure all entered information is accurate and complete. Submit the application electronically through the portal. Receive confirmation of your application submission via email. Keep track of any follow-up actions required, as indicated in the email. Wait for the underwriting process to be completed. Check your email regularly for updates from Swiss Re regarding your application status. Once approved, you will receive your policy documentation via email. Read through the policy carefully to understand your coverage and obligations. If you have any questions, contact Swiss Re's customer support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully configured crop insurance with Swiss Re. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.